bonus reading for water signs, January the 9th to January the 10th. So we have the Hierophant, the Lovers, and the Chariot. I feel like there will be an agreement in here. Chances are kung meron kayong mga challenges or misunderstanding, ito yung mga time na huhupa at mapag-uusapan, no, ng maayos, no? So it felt like paayos ito. Or kung wala naman kayong pag-aaway, I feel like there's some understanding in here or agreement na sabihin nating we are planning probably mamasyal, pumunta sa, mag out of town, pumunta sa isang festival, or puwedeng mag-date 'no. One thing's for sure, medyo harmonic 'no, itong, mga araw na ito for water signs. I feel like kung meron din naman na misunderstanding, I feel like may magpapakumbaba dito for the sake of, surpassing the challenges. So, parang taking the accountability, "Yes, sige ako na, 'wag lang tayong mag-away," 'no? So this is your bonus reading for water signs, January the 9th to January the 10th.
Predicting future is my purpose. Yelling the stars.